Dr. Lena Everett, a renowned physicist and neuroscientist, had long been fascinated by the intricate dance between the deterministic laws of the universe and the chaotic beauty of emergent phenomena. Her research, situated at the nexus of quantum mechanics, neuroscience, and complex systems theory, aimed to unravel one of humanity's oldest philosophical questions: do we truly possess free will? Lena's breakthrough came unexpectedly on a stormy autumn night in her lab, surrounded by quantum computers and neural interface devices. She had developed a sophisticated simulation that modeled human brain activity at an unprecedented scale and detail, integrating quantum fluctuations to account for indeterminacy at the microscopic level. As Lena analyzed the simulation's outputs, she observed something extraordinary. The complex interplay between quantum events and neural networks gave rise to patterns of behavior that could not be predicted solely by examining the individual components of the system. These patterns, she realized, were emergent properties of the system as a whole, akin to how consciousness arises from the interactions of neurons in the brain. But it was her next discovery that would shake the foundations of philosophy and science. The emergent patterns correlated strongly with the subject's reported experiences of making free, conscious decisions. Whenever a subject in the simulation described a moment of choice, Lena could trace back the decision to specific emergent phenomena within the modeled neural activity. Excited by her findings, Lena published her research, sparking intense debate across the scientific and philosophical communities. Skeptics argued that correlation did not imply causation, and that the emergent properties might be a byproduct of decision-making processes rather than their cause. Supporters of Lena's theory, however, saw it as a potential reconciliation between the deterministic nature of the universe and the existence of free will. The implications of Lena's discovery extended far beyond academic circles. Legal systems, ethical frameworks, and AI development were all called into question, as society grappled with the idea that free will might be an emergent property of complex systems. Emboldened by her findings, Lena embarked on a new phase of her research. She developed a neural interface that could enhance the emergence of these patterns, effectively amplifying the participants' experiences of free will. The device, dubbed the Libertas, was hailed as a revolution in human enhancement, promising to unlock new levels of creativity, innovation, and personal autonomy. However, as the Libertas became more widespread, unforeseen consequences began to emerge. Some users reported experiencing an overwhelming sense of uncertainty, as if their enhanced free will made the fabric of reality less predictable. Others found profound liberation in the ability to transcend their neurological determinants. In the end, Lena's discovery did not provide a definitive answer to the question of free will. Instead, it opened a new chapter in humanity's ongoing exploration of consciousness, identity, and the nature of reality itself. As individuals navigated the complexities of this new world, they found that the true essence of free will lay not in answers, but in the perpetual quest for understanding and the infinite possibilities that lay within the emergent tapestry of existence.
In the vast expanse of the cosmos and the intricate web of human society, a timeless question echoes through the ages. Do we truly possess free will, or are our choices predestined by the laws of the universe? Determinism suggests that every event, including human actions, is the inevitable result of preceding states of affairs, a chain of cause and effect governed by the unyielding laws of physics. Enter chaos theory, a realm where the smallest changes can lead to vastly different outcomes, suggesting an element of unpredictability within the deterministic fabric of the universe. At the heart of our quest for understanding free will lies the human brain, a marvel of complexity where billions of neurons interact in ways that give rise to consciousness, thoughts, and decisions. This is where emergent properties come into play. Much like a symphony emerging from the coordinated effort of individual musicians, emergent properties arise from simple components working together to create phenomena that cannot be predicted by examining the components alone. Could it be that free will itself is an emergent property? A phenomenon not predetermined by the microscopic states of our neurons, but arising from the complex interactions within the networks of our brain. Imagine a world where our conscious decisions stem from the depth of complexity within us, a blend of determinism and emergent unpredictability. This perspective offers a fascinating middle ground in the free will versus determinism debate. Throughout history, philosophers and scientists have wrestled with the concept of free will, each bringing their unique insights to the table. Today, we stand on the brink of a new understanding, where the mysteries of emergent properties might hold the key to reconciling these age-old debates. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe and our consciousness, the dialogue between emergent properties and free will continues to evolve, challenging us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Perhaps, in the dance between determinism and free will, we find the true essence of what it means to be human. The journey of discovery is far from over. What will you choose to believe?
If this intricate world is both guided by predictable physical laws and capable of surprising complexity, where does that leave us? Does free will, the ability to truly choose, even exist? Perhaps the answer lies somewhere beyond stark divisions. The deterministic universe might still harbor pockets of unpredictability. Emergent properties could allow the intricate workings of our minds to generate something uniquely our own. Could consciousness itself be a kind of emergent property? This perspective shifts our focus. It's no longer about whether the universe permits free will, but whether the sheer complexity within us can generate something resembling it. While the dance of our neurons may have predictable steps, might the choreography be uniquely ours? This new framework invites fresh questions. Does the level of unpredictability within the brain matter? Is consciousness enough, or do we need an elusive spark of something more to feel truly free? Is every conscious being capable of a similar level of emergent decision-making? The debate doesn't end here, it transforms. The age-old battleground of free will versus determinism might be reframed, acknowledging a deterministic universe while leaving room for the possibility of unpredictable complexities within it. This could be where genuine choice, born of our own internal systems, begins to take shape. We exist at the intersection of cosmic laws and astounding internal complexity. Perhaps the question isn't whether we have total freedom, but whether there's enough freedom within this vast web of existence to call our choices meaningfully our own. The exploration continues. The universe beckons. What will you choose to believe, and more importantly, how will those beliefs shape the choices you make?